Hello, my name's Tom Starkey and I'm the Assistive Technology Advisor for the University of Leeds. When it comes to assistive technology, it's always good to have something there with you all the time that you are familiar with using, that you're confident with using. For me, I've started to use my browser, in this case Google Chrome, to add extensions that allow me to use technology, not just assistive technology per se, but a whole bunch of different tools. When I talk to staff and students, it's often something that I recommend that they do is to explore their particular browser extensions, whether it is Chrome or Edge or Firefox or whatever that you're using, because they do have some extremely good accessibility tools. So for this video, what I'm going to do is firstly, I'm going to demonstrate a couple of assistive technology extensions for Chrome, and then I'm just going to go through the process of how you add extensions to the Chrome browser in this case. At some point in the future, I'm sure I'll do other browsers as well, such as Edge, Firefox, but for the moment, we'll concentrate on the most popular one at the moment, which is Chrome. Okay, so I'm already logged in to my Chrome browser. I've logged into Google, and so my Chrome extensions stay with me all the time, which I think is important if you are using lots of different equipment. Some of the things that I'm using at the moment, I'm using this particular extension to actually record this video, which is handy. We have a screenshot recorder, a screen capture device. We have a very, very good speech-to-text extension called voice-in-voice typing. But let me give you a quick demonstration of what you can do. So here we are at the University Minerva page, our start page, and I'm going to open up Read Aloud, which is a text-to-speech voice reader. So I'm going to do that, and then what we will have...
Minerva Home. Friday the 30th of April, 2021, 10:39, Leeds, UK. Announcements. There are no recent module announcements.
Well, that's very good to know. Now, the extensions that I'm demonstrating today are free, pretty much. So what I want people to consider is, with a little bit of input in time to do a little bit of exploring, you can come up with your kind of own bespoke assistive technology toolbar that sits in the top of any computer that you're using if you log into your Google Chrome browser, which I think is pretty useful. So in the next part of the video, I am going to show you, if you don't know already, how to load up extensions and how to find extensions in the Google Chrome browser. Thank you. Okay, so I've just typed in extensions into the Google Chrome browser, and we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store, I think. So the Chrome Web Store is where you find many different extensions, and if you have a look here, we have the extensions button. There's also apps as well, but what I tend to do is I tend to concentrate on extensions because they're always there, they're always visible. They're always a little reminder that you do have help when you are surfing or reading online materials or whatever it is that you are doing with your PC, laptop, etc. So I'm going to go and I think to myself, okay, I want to have a look at mind maps because that's a really good way of trying to organize my thoughts. So I tap mind maps into my search bar and we're given easy to create. So we're given different things, free mind maps, etc., etc. So if I go on that first one, I've not actually had a look at this particular product, so we'll have a look. In this case, it is a link to a product that has Google Drive, Google Drive adaptability. Yeah, no, I like this. No, that's good. Okay, so I'll have a look and just have a look at some of the. Yeah, I like the look of the outlet there. I'm just having a look at some of the visuals that accompany it. I'm going to read the description. You can create your mind map diagrams. Create your mind map now using this free online mind map creator. Now, I could always go to the link every time, but what I think I'll do is I think I'll make it easy myself and add it as an extension. I'm going to add to Chrome. I'm going to press the button. Because I've already logged in, I'm going to press Add Extensions, and then what we will find Okay, so we're given the introduction page, mind map, and it gives us some information as to the extension itself. To make sure that I can always see the extension icon in the bar at the top right hand side of the screen, I'm going to go to the puzzle piece icon there that has extensions as a label, and I'm just going to press that pin button to make sure that it appears, and if you can see now, it is appearing on my extension. So if I am on a normal working day and I think to myself, hang on, I need to start planning this particular project, I want to use mind map, I can go up to my extension folder, I press on the mind map, and it will take me and open up a mind map immediately. Basically, that's it. That's the system. So what I'll do is I will post this video to the Minerva site under tips and tricks. I'll also, in the description of the video, I will also add some useful AT extensions, screen readers, speech to text, screen adaptation, things that might be useful for you in your studies and in other aspects of your life. So that's it. That's a quick one. Thank you very much for listening, and I will be back with another video very soon. Much obliged.